Are you ready to unlock your potential and build a thriving online business in 2026? Many wonder if digital marketing is still relevant, but I'm here to tell you it's not just relevant, it's the most powerful online skill you can master today. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, creating endless opportunities for those who know how to navigate it. From reaching global audiences to generating passive income, digital marketing offers unparalleled freedom and scalability. It's a skill that empowers you to connect with customers, build brands, and drive real results, regardless of your background. Now, the first crucial step is to choose just one platform to focus on, whether it's YouTube or Instagram. Trying to master everything at once leads to overwhelm and minimal progress. By concentrating your efforts, you can truly understand the platform's nuances and build a dedicated audience. Next, you need to pick a profitable niche. This isn't about passion alone. It's about finding where demand meets your interest. Consider niches like sustainable living, pet care, or even specialized tech tutorials. Research what problems people are actively seeking solutions for and how you can provide value. Once your platform and niche are set, it's time for your first 30-day content strategy. Consistency is key. Plan out your content pillars and create a schedule you can stick to. For YouTube, this might mean 2 videos a week. For Instagram, daily stories, and 3 feed posts. Focus on providing immense value, solving problems, and engaging with your audience. You don't need expensive software to start. There's a powerful stack of free tools available. Canva is fantastic for creating stunning visuals, even without design experience. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, write compelling copy, and even outline your content. And then there's System.io, an all-in-one marketing platform that powers over 500,000 entrepreneurs. It offers a free forever plan without needing a credit card, providing everything you need to launch your online business. Now, let's talk about monetization. Your first path could be affiliate marketing. Promote products or services you genuinely believe in and earn a commission for every sale. Alternatively, consider creating a simple digital product like an ebook or a mini course based on your niche expertise. Finally, let's cover the biggest beginner mistakes to avoid. Don't chase perfection. Consistent action beats perfect inaction every single time. Avoid comparing your beginning to someone else's middle or end. Stay focused on your chosen platform and niche, resisting the urge to jump between trends. And most importantly, don't give up too soon. Success in digital marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. By following these steps, you're not just starting a business, you're building a future. Embrace the journey, learn continuously, and watch your digital marketing efforts flourish. To help you get started, I've created a free beginner roadmap. Download my free beginner roadmap today and take the first step towards your digital marketing success.